Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Time FK7. My name is Chris and I make videos of this 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatch. So if you're new to the channel and you want to see more 10th gen content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I do post a video on the channel, because I now post every Wednesdays and Sundays. Now that being said, today's video is going to be upgrading these LED interior lights that I bought from Amazon a couple months ago into LASFIT bulbs. Let's go. Before we get started, I want to feature subscriber builds on this channel like I have been on my previous videos. And today's subscriber builds are...
Our first build is from Min Lee, who says, "My name is Min Lee and this is my 2020 Civic Hatchback Sport." Next we have Unikid Hearts build. Then we have Emmanuel Marino's build, followed by Light Yagami, who says, "Hey Chris, I've been watching your vids for a bit and you've inspired me to do some upgrades on my Civic." Finally, we have Rodane Miller's build with a cold start video. Check it out.
And if ever you want your build to be featured on the channel, be sure to email christimefk7@gmail.com so that I can feature your build on my upcoming videos. So as you may remember, a couple months ago during the winter season, we did upgrade these halogen interior lights into LED lights, but those are like $10 LED lights that I found on Amazon. And compared to these lights, these are like 10 times better, and it makes those cheap Amazon LED bulbs look a lot duller. So this is a big upgrade, and obviously I got these from LASFIT, which is my sponsor. So if you're interested in these lights, I will be linking it down in the description, and be sure to use CTFK7 for that 10% off. So this is the first things that you should be doing to your car in terms of upgrade, because stock, this car comes with halogen interior lights, which look brown and ugly and dull, and it makes the car look boring. So upgrading those halogen lights to these LED lights will give you more light, and these LED lights will last even longer than halogens. These are actually one of the easiest things that you could do. So if you're a non-car person, or if you're not good with cars, on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the hardest, this is probably at a 1. So we're going to be upgrading our Amazon LEDs to these bulbs so that you guys can see the difference between cheap versus expensive, or low end compared to high end. And obviously these are the high end. Let's get started. The tools you need for the installation, you can either use a flathead screwdriver, and I have tape right here. That's because you're gonna want to wrap this end right here with tape. That way you're not gonna be scratching your plastic covers, because once you scratch it, then it's obviously gonna be scratched and it's hard to go back from that. Or if you have like a solid card or like a credit card, that also works too. So I'm gonna be using all three of these tools so that I can demonstrate how easy it is to pry off these plastic parts using all three of these tools. Let's get started. Shit. So we're gonna start off on the trunk or the hatch. So obviously open up your hatch, and your light is located right here. So this is what the Amazon bulb looks like. It's a LED, which is, you know, better than the halogen. But now we're gonna put in this bulb from LASFIT. So if we take this off, we're gonna take our plastic prying tool, gonna slip it in just like that, just like this. See how the light turned off? That's because it has like a minimum contact point. So once you take off your light, all you have to do is just pull this right off, just like that. And this is what the light bulb looks like from Amazon compared to this one from LASFIT. This cheap Amazon bulb, when you install it, you do have to adjust it, because otherwise, even if you like plug it all the way in, it's still not going to light up. So you have to find the contact point onto this bulb, and it's kind of hard. So come on, bulb. There you go. So it's like halfway in, and then you have to be careful closing this, because if you close it too hard, then you might risk, you know, taking it off of the contact point, and then obviously it's not going to light up. And by contact points, I'm talking about these ends right here. The cheap ones, you don't really get that much of a contact point, whereas LASFIT bulb
you do. So, and you can see this little canvas description right there. And so once we install these LASFIT bulbs, it's instantly gonna light up. So I'll show you right here. So once it touches any part of the metal, it instantly lights up. So like you don't have to adjust it or anything. You can just like plug it right in. Instantly you're gonna see the difference in lighting, because obviously this is a lot brighter compared to the cheap LEDs from Amazon. So we're gonna put that in and boom, bang. Let me show you a before and after. And that's how you install it. And if you have a card, just stick it in there and then pull out. It will be a little bit harder, but you will eventually get it off using a card. And of course, our handy dandy screwdriver. So we're gonna wrap this, the tip of this screwdriver with some tape, just like this, in order for us not to scratch the plastic. At least 5 layers, so you don't have to go too crazy. So once you do that, you're just gonna go over here and pry it open, just like a plastic prying tool. And then there you go. So we used all 3 tools. We have the screwdriver, we have the plastic prying tool, and we have a card. So all 3 of these should work. So now we're gonna be focusing on this dome light. And first thing you're gonna do is turn this off to the off position. And then you're gonna take your screwdriver or plastic prying tool or whatever tool you have. You're gonna find an opening, like right here, pops right out. Then you're gonna take your light bulb. That's the light before, okay? And now we're gonna take this off. It might be hot depending on how long your doors were open. So let's see if it's hot. Not that hot. So you're gonna take it, you're gonna pull this bulb right out. Just put in the new bulb. And this is after. Just like that. It's a big difference. And to put this cover back on, you're gonna place the cover here where the switches are first. And then just gonna pop it in place, just like that. Okay? Boom, done. And when you're taking this off, you're not gonna be pulling from these sides right here. You're gonna be pulling from this side right here, like next to the cover, not out here, because otherwise you're gonna be pulling out your liner instead of your light cover, and that's not gonna be good. All right, so now we're in the front, and then this is the before. So you're gonna be going on this side, place your card in, and just pop it right out, just like that. And to turn this off, you're just gonna hit the switch right here, and then that turns that off. And just like what we did earlier, just pull it out, put in the new one, and let's see the difference. Boom. Look at that. Here is a before and after. So this one right here is the old, this one is the new. You're just gonna do the same thing. Take your card or whatever tool you have, pop this right out. Just like that. Turn this off, pull this out. Okay, so we're just gonna plug it in, just like that. Boom. Place the cover like so. Boom. They both work. Amazing.
So LASFIT was also kind enough to send us some different colored bulbs for your interior lights. So if you don't want those boring LED lights to just be white, you do have options to choose what kind of color you have. they have sent me blue and red. So I'm going to be testing those out as well, which I'll be showing you at night, because at night, that's when they look best, especially with underglows. So if you have underglows on your car, these lights will be perfect. And these lights are like a great way to customize the interior of your car, because you do get that personalization, because you can make your car red, blue, green, yellow, whatever color you wish. You do have those options. So yeah, I'll show you right now. We are about to hit 9K, so that's only 1,000 subscribers left to hit that 10K subscriber mark. And that will be a huge milestone to this channel. And yes, I will be doing a giveaway. So share my videos with your friends and family. Tell them to subscribe, because once I hit that 10K mark, giveaway time. Thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.